All right, welcome back to the quarterfinals here at Gator Cup 2025. We're watching the mixed team rounds. We're going to be focusing on targets 14 and 15. Team on target 14 is the Pasadena Roving Aggies with Zachary and Heather. Heather's right up at full draw now. Their opponent, the other team, is Patty Melts, and that's going to be Matthew and Natalie. Natalie's coming back to full draw right now. And we're going to follow these two teams as they shoot against each other in the quarterfinal. All right, nice looking shot out of Zach there. The Pasadena Roving Archers had it easy last round. It turns out their 1/8 match was actually a bye because the other team didn't show up, unfortunately. Fortunate for them, but unfortunate because it would have been nice to have them had a real match, instead of it turning into a bye match, but these things happen. All right, Zach and Matthew shooting now. All right, long hold on Zach there. Wind started kicking a little. Let's see what the targets look like. All right, looks like a 10-8-7-6 to a 10-9-9. 6. So I would say the Patty Melts take it, but we'll wait and see because I am not that quick at doing math in my head. We'll find out when they flip the flipboards. All right, end number 2, and Pasadena Roving Aggies are down 0-2. So 2 set points for Patty Melts. So Pasadena Roving Aggies, they got some work to do. So hopefully Heather puts some good shots down range. We got Zach trying to see what's going on. Those two are switching every arrow. Meanwhile, Patty Melts, they are doing 2 arrows. So you come to the line and they're shooting 2 arrows. So Natalie's shooting, I think, her second arrow. Pretty serious match. They got all the coaches engaged here. Let's see what their target looks like. All right, they got that was nice. Heather just shot a 10. They have an 8 and a 4 as well. Can't quite see Patty Melt's target. Zach's in the way a little bit. It looks like it's at least an 8, and it looks like 3 8s. And Matthew is up to full draw now.
Wow.
X. All right.
Yeah.
Looks like an X for Zach. So that's going to help out a lot. All right, we will wait and see if the Pasadena Roving Archers have managed to grab 2 set points or not. It'd be very helpful for them to get those 2 set points in order to really stay locked into this match. All right, we're getting ready for end number 3 here.
End 3?
Oh, look at that, end 3. And 1 set point. It was a tie last end between the two teams. So a good job, Pasadena Roving Aggies, for keeping it going. Because they're going to need to win the next one, because the opposing team, Patty Melts, can win if they shoot if they shoot a higher score and get 2 set points. You can win with 5 set points in team rounds. So Pasadena Roving Archers needs to, at minimum, tie, but they could really use to win this next end. All right, Zach's at full draw. Let's take a look just shot. Let's take a look down at the target and see what's happening. We can see it pretty good. We got a 10 and an 8 for Pasadena Roving Aggies, and it looked like it was about a 6 and a 7 for Patty Meltz. Yeah, a little bit hard to tell because of the archers getting in the way, but these things happen. All right, Zach and Matthew both coming to full draw. Very cool. All right, Matthew shoots. That must have been an odd one. He's got a lean going on. It was probably not quite what he was looking for. Let's see if we can see it before we get blocked by archers walking down. And we lost the focus. Where have we gone? We are nowhere and everywhere simultaneously. Okay. 10-9 liner, 9, and then a 6 and a 7, or 2 6s, to a 10 and 9, an 8, and probably a 6. So pretty close between the two teams. No, I did not do the math on that. Hopefully, for the sake of keeping this interesting,
It might be another tie.
hopefully it's either a tie or the Pasadena Roving Aggies are up, because then it would make it either 2-4 or 3-3, which would make things a little bit more interesting, because there'd be a lot of pressure to win the next one or tie the next one, because whoever gets to 5 in this is going to win. And well, we're in the quarterfinals, so after that is the semis, and that's a very important next round, because you can go to the medal matches after that. So this will be interesting. Stay tuned. All right, scoring in number 4, and we have a match here. Well, you can't see it, but it's actually 3-3. So the Pasadena Roving Aggies, they made it happen, which is very good. So now it's Natalie and Heather up, getting ready to shoot the first arrows of this next end. Very important end. If either team wins out right here, they're gonna win it. They're gonna win it because all you have to do is get to 5, and they both have 3. If there's a tie, it's gonna be 4-4, 1 arrow shoot off, which is gonna be also very entertaining. So a lot of pressure here to make sure you put really good arrows downrange, quality arrows downrange, because you don't really want to go to the 1 arrow shoot off. It's fun for us watching. Let's see, both of them aiming a little too far off. It looks like 2 8s for team Roving Aggies. Zach is blocking the other target, so we can't see that. We got a so we will see. Hopefully is enough. If not, this could be Patty Meltz. It could be all on Patty Meltz. All right, all is kind of quiet. We got a fist bump. Zach's up at full draw a while. He really sat on that one. Let's see. I don't know. I'm confused too. Is it a tie? It might be a tie. Is it a tie? Oh, they got one high one. That's a high puppy. No, I want to say Patty Meltz has it, but I could be mistaken. I'll get back to you when they update their flipboards.